43 lessons I've learned by 43. Lesson number one: life begins just outside of your comfort zone. For my 43rd birthday, I decided to do something that pushed me outside my comfort zone. One thing I've learned by 43 is that some of life's
You go
best
up the hill,
moments
you know.
happen when you stop overthinking and simply say yes. That scary thing you're avoiding, it might become one of your favorite memories.